Hello everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to format your spreadsheets in Google Sheets. Formatting helps make your spreadsheet cleaner, easier to read, and more professional looking. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So here, select the cell you want to format. As you can see, the toolbar at the top gives you different formatting options. You can change the font style and font size. This is to make your text stand out more. You can also click the bold or italic buttons to style your text. So now, let's change the color. Click the Fill Color button to add a background color to your cell. You can also use the Text Color button to change the color of your text. As you can see, this helps important information stand out more clearly. Next, you can align your text using the Alignment button. Lets you move text to the left, center, or right side of the cell. You can also adjust vertical alignment to position the text higher or lower inside the cell. Next, if your text is too long, click the text wrapping. This allows all the text to fit neatly inside the cell instead of overflowing. So as you can see, formatting helps organize your spreadsheet and makes it much easier to understand. And that's it. Thanks for watching.